door fell on my head in 2019. I suffered a TBI because of it. I started to do lymphatic drainage as part of my recovery protocol from my doctors. 5 years later, our Bye Bye Bloat lymphatic massage roller and system is on the Today Show. After this accident, I would be going to the neurologist and I would get lost in the grid of New York City. I would be on 3rd Avenue and 22nd and not be able to figure out which way was northeast, southwest. And if you're in New York City, that's not good if you can't figure out northeast, southwest when you're just on a numbered grid. Every lymphatic massage I got helped to speed up the healing process, but they were so expensive. I thought, can we create an affordable, accessible lymphatic drainage system at home? The answer was yes. You can get the entire bundle of 4 products, including our roller, for under $100, which comes out to less than $3 a massage. The roller itself is only $14.99. It already won Harper's Bazaar Best in Body Award, and it's gonna be on the Today Show today. I'm very excited. This is important. It's 90 degrees today. This is called do your makeup and play with your dog at the same time. I really bring my dog to work with me so he tolerates me getting ready in the morning, but today I have to leave him at home. He's gonna be so sad. I'm late, but I'm dressed. This is as good as it's gonna get. Made it out the door. Let's go.